Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix zero parades for Dead Spies game, controller not working or gamepad not working. So the very first thing what you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next method is to update controller driver. So for that, first you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, try to launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update or enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check whether gamepad is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best way to resolve the error that we are coming across. If not, move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch it and check if controller is working now. Some other tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on storage, click on downloads. After that, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam, so confirm it. After that, log into Steam and then try to launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If you are using wired plug, then unplug it and replug it, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to use a big picture mode. So after going to Steam, select your game under library section, and here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. Simply click on it. After entering big picture mode, try to play the game and again exit big picture mode, and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods you can easily fix zero parades for Dead Spies gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for this video. Thank you.